Welcome, grade 4 students, to your social studies class. Today, we are going to start a new chapter, and that is chapter 1 of your textbook, I Love My India. So, are you ready for it? Let's begin with introduction about India. As you all know, India is also known as Bharat or Hindustan. It is home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It is recognized that the area now known as India was inhabited approximately 250,000 years ago. Do you know, kids, in which continent does it lie? Yes, India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in South Asia. In other words, we can even say that India is a country which is located in southern part of Asia continent. India is the second most populous country. India's 2020 population is estimated at 17.7% of the total world population, whereas India is the 7th largest country by area in the world. Dear kids, India shares its borders with 7 countries, and they are Afghanistan and Pakistan to the northwest, China, Bhutan and Nepal to the north, Myanmar to the far east and Bangladesh to the east, whereas Sri Lanka from the southeast and Maldives. Students, as you all know, India is composed of 28 states and 8 union territories. India became independent country on 15th August 1947, and in order to study the political divisions of India, we generally refer to political map of India. The map which you can see here is the picture of political map of India. And one thing to note here is that in political map of India, with states, a dot is there, which represents the capital of that state, and thus it become easy to study about various states and their capitals with the help of political maps. Now tell me, kids, do you know what are union territories? Okay, union territories are the part of country which are directly governed by the central government. India has 8 union territories, and they are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Lakshadweep, National Capital Territory of Delhi and Pondicherry. Now tell me, do you know what are states? Yes, state is defined as a territory with its own government and borders within a larger country. Some people even define state as a community of persons more or less numerous, permanently occupying a definite portion of territory, having a government of their own to which the great body of inhabitants render obedience, and enjoying freedom from external control. Here you can see the different states of India along with their capital. Like the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad, Arunachal Pradesh Itanagar, Assam Dispur, and so on. In this picture, you can read out the capital of all the states. Now, let's discuss some facts about India. Tell me, do you know which is the largest state of India? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Can you make out by looking in the map? Yes, Rajasthan is the largest state of India. Now tell me, do you know which is the smallest state of India? Guess. Exactly. By looking by the map, we can find out Goa is the smallest state of India. Do you know what do we call the 7 states in northeastern India? It's a very interesting question because it consists of 7 different states with one name. And they are the 7 states in northeastern India are called the 7 sisters, and they are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur and Nagaland. Now let's discuss some facts about these states one by one. So we'll begin with Arunachal Pradesh. Let's have a discussion about some facts about Arunachal Pradesh. Do you know Arunachal Pradesh is the northeasternmost state of India. It borders the states of Assam and Nagaland to the south. It is well known for its ancient culture and it is also known as the land of dawn-lit mountains. Next is Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India known for its wildlife, archaeological sites and tea plantations. It is well known for its silk. The state was the first site for oil drilling in Asia. Next is Manipur. Do you know the capital of Manipur is Imphal? The word Manipur literally means jeweled town. Manipur is famous for its natural beauty. Meghalaya is the another state in Seven Sisters. Meghalaya is a hilly state in northeastern India. The name means a ward of cloud in Sanskrit. It is famous for its high rainfall, subtropical forest and biodiversity. The people of Meghalaya are known for their hospitable, cheerful and friendly behavior. Next is Nagaland. Nagaland is a state of mountains in northeast India. Its capital is Kohima. It is one of the smaller states in India. Another one, Tripura. Tripura is a hilly state in northeast India and bordered on three sides by Bangladesh. It is a home to diverse group of tribal culture and religious groups. It is famous for pineapple garden, rubber garden and orange garden. Its capital is Agartala. The next is Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. The name Mizoram means land of Mizos, that is, inhabitants. It literally means land of the hilly people. Mizoram is known for pristine hills and caves. Now, can you name the state carved out of Andhra Pradesh? Yes, it is Telangana. It is the state which is carved out of Andhra Pradesh. Next, can you tell which is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India? Think. And the answer is Kanyakumari. Excellent. So kids, these were facts about political divisions of India. I hope you enjoyed it.